In the peas, these pods are dry, and so what I want to do is to go ahead, we're going to drop these pea plants in. I use old pillowcases. I really like them for drying down the rest of my seeds. So we're just going to disassemble. Take our sticks out. Oh, that's tied on. Okay. Hang on, let's cut that. And then I'm going to just pull up the pea plants and get these into a bag. And then I'm going to let the seed finish drying down in the bag. That way, if the seed pods decide they want to break open, they'll throw all their seeds inside my pillowcase instead of all over the ground. I think I'll just leave the string on and everything. So we're just going to pop these up. Okay, and I'm going to put them in the bag. Kind of hard to catch. Okay. That can finish drying in there. Now, one of the things that I did learn is you want to go ahead and put the tag in with it so that, especially if you got like 2 different varieties of lettuce, the seed all looks alike and you can't tell them apart. So be sure that you put a label in there. I like to put the variety and also like the date so that we can track what we got in our bags, because at the end of the season you got a lot of bags. It's a lot of tracking. Oops, that's not going to tie. All right, I'll put a string on that. We'll tie that up. So today I'd like to share with you how to clean the pea seeds that we saved so that we can get them ready to plant next year. Alrighty, so I went and got our pillowcase that has the pea seeds in it, and what I'm going to do is just dump it in this tub so that it's easy for you guys to see what we're going to do here. So this is, oh man, this been in this pillowcase for a long time. It's very crisp. Can you hear? Very crisp. And here's our peas right here. So what I'm going to do is take that off. Now sometimes they'll throw their peas everywhere, and then other times it'll just dry around here. Just want to crack that loose. And there's our pea seeds. They're all dry, ready to go. And then what I want to do is go ahead and pick those out. And I'm going to put those in a bag. Brought me a bag. And then on the bag I'm going to put the year, what it was. See, I have my tag in here. Put the year, what it was, and then I'm going to store this in the refrigerator. And then when I get all the peas out here and in the bag, I will do a seed germination test to make sure that I have viable seeds. Oh, there's a pretty one. Look at that. That's nice. You can see how they're just laying in there. So we want to do the germination test just so that we know if we got good pea seeds, and we can do that this winter, and then we'll know if we need to order pea seeds or if these ones are good enough. And if you would like to learn how to do a germination test, it's really easy. We have a YouTube video that you can go and watch, and it'll show you all the pieces that you need for a germination test. So we'll put that link on the screen so that you can do a test on your seeds. Alrighty, here is the seeds that we collected from the plants that we had. We had about 6 or 8 plants, and this is enough to grow what we grew this year in the garden. I think what I'd like to do next time is grow a little more, so instead of 6 plants I would do like 12 plants. So if you kind of keep track of that, you'll know how many seeds approximately that you will get from each seed growing session. So this is really good. I'll germ test these and then get ready to plant these next year.